Today, we're not making a TNT house. We're doing something to do with TNT, but we're not making a TNT house. We're making like a big TNT building and a house. And a house. Well, we are doing TNT house. So it's gonna be a big building of TNT. Okay, this may take a little bit long, so let's just get to the part. But I spent a long time building the TNT tower, but look at this. I even built like the inside of it. Yeah, but that's it. But now it's time to build the TNT house. Also, this may take a little bit long, and we're also gonna build it here. There's no room here. Actually, no. This won't take long. It'll be a small house because there's not much room here. There's not much room anywhere to build it. It won't be much of a TNT. It won't be much of a house. Look, I did say this won't be much of a house, and yeah, it's not much of a house. Right here. But anyway, time to explode this all. You ready? Oh! Oh my gosh! I can't even see what's going on. Is that? Wait, it's still there? It's just floating up in the sky. Oh, wait, I thought it would be bigger than this. But that's still there. You're like, never mind. I thought the damage would be. Oh, it's over here too. Oh, over there too. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Subscribe and like.